In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the private messages setting on the Rednote app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Rednote app on your phone. Then click on the three lines on the top left hand side and click on settings, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. Then head over to privacy settings. After you go to privacy settings, you can see the private messages. Go ahead and type on private messages, which is right above my collection. Go ahead and tap on the private messages and you can see the options of default, people I follow, or followers I follow back, and off. So you can change the settings. If you want the private messages from the people you follow, tap on it. Or else if you want the messages from followers that you follow back, you can tap on this. Or else the last option to make your account private as you can tap on off. So you will now not be getting any type of private messages, but you can change that anytime. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.